Now I would like to call, due to short time as per the sequence, Abdul Aziz Nadwi from Raebareli for his presentation about the debate. What is the importance of taking part in debate?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all doing today? That's very wonderful. I'm Abdul Aziz. I'm an alim. I have done alimiyyat from Darul Uloom, Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow. And presently I am pursuing personality development class at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindagi in Karnataka, where I learn spoken English, spoken Arabic. I'm truly indebted to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for providing us a wonderful platform to impart values, inculcate manners, instill confidence, and develop our personalities. Respected teachers, honorable guests, Hazrat Maulana Abdul Subhan Sahab Naqud Aradwi and Maulana Bilal Abdul Hayy Hassan Nadwi Damat Barakatuh, and our dear Islamic brothers. I feel great honor to get this golden opportunity to stand here on the occasion of this 25 years celebration of Silver Jubilee. Today, I would like to talk about importance of debate. What is the debate? What is the meaning of debate? There is a one verse about this. ادع إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن. Invite to the way of your God with wisdom and fair preaching and argue with them in a way that is better. Truly your Lord knows best who has gone astray from his path, and he is the best aware of those who are guided. Debate means DD, group discussion. A discussion of a team, question between two or more interlocutors. So debate is a very important tool for every student, and debate is a very beneficial for every student who wants to learn English language with excellence and fluency. Means how we can improve our thinking skills, how we can improve our communication skills, how we can improve our speaking skills, and how we can improve our learning skills. I have divided the topic in three parts. First is definition. What is the real meaning of definition of debate? Formal debate is a formalization of the discussion-making process, and it is a means of effectual arguments. It is process of offering and disprove arguments in response to an affirmative intention. Debate participation promotes problem solving and innovative thinking, and it helps students to build link between word and ideas that make concepts more meaningful. And our creativity, our thoughtful ideas, and implement different ways of knowing, implement different method of learning, and implement different source of speaking. By this way we learn a lot. We have done till now, we have done five debates on other different topics. Like government school is better or private school is better. And second, pen is better or pencil is better. Third, city life is better or village life is better. And advantages of social media and disadvantages of social media. And fifth, mobile should be banned in school or not. Debate teaches students to recognize how to understand what other people are talking, and how to understand other people's question, and how to answer them in appropriate one, which improves their ability to speak confidently and fluently. Means how we can prove pen is good, and how we can prove pencil is good, and how we can prove mobile should be allowed in school or not. By this way we learn a lot. While collecting the points, while several thoughts, we collect the points from different sites of internet, from different YouTube videos. By this way we learn a lot. And second point is importance of debate. With the debate, develop excellent oral and written communication skills. Develop excellent critical thinking skills. and develop effective tools for research, organization, and presentation, and develop strategies to overcome fear of public speaking, discover the confidence and desire to participate in all public speaking. Means ultimately debate improves, increase our self-confidence of speaking, our communication skills in public speaking, our thought, our knowledge, our courage, and gracious arguments. Means how to learn, how to research, how to build confidence of speaking, how to understand the question. Means debate teaches us how to become a leader in speaking, how to become a master in communication, and how to become an expert in answering the question. So due to the short time, I wrap up my presentation with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with great patience. Thank you so much and have a nice day.